If I were to start investing from scratch in 2025, here's exactly what I do to invest smarter, grow wealth faster, and avoid the common traps. Navigating it all as a new investor might seem overwhelming, but in this video, I'll break down exactly where I'd start, the tools I'd use, and the strategies I would use to easily build a portfolio with the least effort possible. The biggest thing that I wish I had started from the beginning was automating the process. Virtually every investing app will let you set up an auto investment option where a set amount of money is taken out from your account each week or month. Even $500 per month across 31 years can become over $1 million if you let that money grow and compound over time. With automatic investing, the money is taken straight from your account and invested into the specific company that you're wanting to purchase. With automatic investing, it's really great to pick a diversified ETF or an exchange traded fund. A great option is VOO or the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. You're just buying the biggest 500 companies in the American market, brands like Coca-Cola, Facebook, Disney, some of the largest companies in the world, and it takes away the guesswork. You don't have to spend hours of your time researching stocks, trying to figure out the best time to buy and sell an investment. We're just routinely investing into the market for better or for worse, and then over time you'll get a return of about 8 to 10% per year. The second tip is knowing the best investments. When you consider an investment, it's really important to understand the potential returns and the risks that are associated with it. Exchange traded funds, individual stocks, and cryptocurrency each offer unique opportunities for returns, but they vary in terms of their volatility, growth potential, and suitability for different financial goals. Here's a description of what each can offer. So firstly, taking a look at ETFs. Think of these like the Swiss Army knife of investing. An ETF is a versatile tool that gives you access to multiple assets in one package. It's built to tackle different market conditions and minimize risk by spreading your money out across multiple different companies. When you buy an ETF, you're basically investing in a big basket of stocks. They track everything from the S&P 500, which is the biggest companies in the American market, to niche stuff like solar energy, tech, or healthcare, so you can pick your flavor of which ETF suits you and your investing goals. Some ETFs can even provide a dividend, which offers another source of consistent income, but they're not immune to the risks of the market ups and downs. In March of 2020, the whole stock market dropped by 35%, so ETFs can still see a very large reduction in their price in a short space of time. Moving on to stocks, which can be like the wild card of investing and can offer some really serious potential. With individual stocks, you're betting on a single company, so all of your eggs are in one basket. The stock returns can range widely. You might see anywhere from 6 to 20% annually if you hit a winner, but at the same time, there can also be really big drops in share price value. Some stocks like Tesla have gone up 1200% in less than 2 years, but at the same time, Tesla has also lost a lot of its value in a short space, coming down over 70%. So individual stocks will give you a greater potential return, but there is also a greater potential loss. A stock might come down 70 to 80% when it drops, but if you take a look at Tesla, it went up 1200% in under 2 years, where you'll virtually never find an ETF that can mirror that kind of a return. And then the third option is cryptocurrency, which is like the wild west of investing. It's an asset class that doesn't play by the rules, and some of the main cryptos you're probably familiar with are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then also ones like Dogecoin and Solana. Historically, Bitcoin can lose up to 80% of its value roughly every 4 years, but at the same time, it can go up over 1000% in just 1 year. And other cryptos like Ethereum, which have a smaller market cap, which means that less money is needed to drive the price of the investment up or down, can go up by 3500% in less than 2 years. If you have any specific questions about investing, you can book a call with me via the link in the description box, but please be aware that there is a fee for this. The third tip is don't just follow the hype. This is crucial to understand because there's always a new enticing investment on the horizon. Whether it's a trending meme coin like Pepe, Shiba Inu, or Dogecoin, or a hyped up stock like GameStop, the market never lacks fresh opportunities. I've personally dabbled in a few meme stocks myself, and meme coins coins as well, sometimes winning, sometimes losing, but overall it just feels like a gamble. Even well-established stocks like Tesla and Nvidia can get caught up in these speculative waves, and when the decline hits, it can be really steep. For example, GameStop soared up by an astounding 1,600% in only just a few weeks, but shortly after this it dropped by 70%. So even if you made a return of 1,600%, if you lose 70% of your portfolio, you still have taken a massive hit. And the last piece of info is picking the right broker. This is a crucial part of any investment plan, and a broker that I personally think is great, regardless of how much or how little investing experience you have, is Moomoo. How can you practice your US stock trading skills and become an expert in US stock investments for free? Moomoo now has a strategic partnership with NASDAQ and is hosting a global US stock paper trading competition. This competition offers you the opportunity to trade US stocks with virtual funds. Moomoo is a chess-sponsored broker and has been recognized by CanStar for its outstanding value in 2024. With Moomoo's paper trading, investors can start with $1 million in virtual currency, providing a risk-free opportunity to experience real-time market conditions for US stock investments. Every participant has the opportunity to share $20,000 worth of stock cash coupons every week for over 5 weeks. The top 3 challengers with the highest total return globally will have their names displayed on the NASDAQ screen and receive US $10,000, US $3,000, and US $1,000 in stock cash coupons. What's more, each participant who signs up through my link will have free access to NASDAQ Total View market data and can also participate in Guess for Prize activities to make a guess and become eligible for a share of stock cash coupons worth of US $100,000. This competition will last until November the 16th, so join now. Now, if you're a new user who hasn't opened or funded an account on Moomoo, you can use my link to make a qualified deposit and get up to 10 free stocks and up to a 6.8% return per annum, cash interest on uninvested cash balance for the first 30 days. Plus, you can receive a brokerage-free card worth $4,000 by just completing your first buy order. Don't miss out. Check out the link in the description box or scan the QR code on screen to sign up and make your account. If you want to see more how the Moomoo platform works, from setting up an account to making your first investment, then check out this video on screen. It will also provide some helpful tips and tricks to get the most out of your investment.